The Titanic disaster shook Edwardian Britain, the Edwardian world, to its foundations. That world that thought that anything was possible. Manned flight, the telephone, steam engines, cars, all of that Edwardian world was shaken to its foundations with the loss of Titanic.
It brought New York to a standstill. It brought, in fact, the whole of the Western world to a standstill.
There are stories of the day after the news came back, some of these big, tough guys of the shipyard with tears just openly streaming down their face, just absolutely in the grip of grief.
The loss of the Titanic was an embarrassment. They thought that it was their fault.
And even when I started in this building in 1959, there were still people who actually had worked on the ship. Those people didn't talk about the ship. They just got on with the job that they were doing, and there was very little discussion about Titanic.
That was passed down, father to son to grandson. That was the culture of Belfast. We do not talk about Titanic.